Hi, my name is Naidemi, and today I will present the topic of suffixes in English. And in these activities, I will explain how to word change when a suffix is added and how to the stress of the word or some shift them. I will share 5 cents using base word plus suffixes to practice cover pronunciations and use. Well, 5 cents using base word suffixes. Parisian. She bought a beautiful Parisian dress during her trip to France. Democratic. Democratic. The country made a democratic decisions in the last election. Alphabetical. The teacher asked us to put the papers in alphabetical. Mysteries. There was mysterious sound coming from the old house. Possibility. There is a strong possibility that it will rain today.